Hey guys, today we're going to put on one of these hour meters onto the 110. These are super affordable online, and they're really pretty simple to install. You just take this wire, and we're going to wrap it around the spark plug wire. Take this wire that they send, and you're just going to shove it in this slot in the back. Maybe a screwdriver, and just push it down as far as it'll go. Shot of the instructions if you want to pause that and read it. The gist of it is they want you to wrap it around the spark plug wire 5 times. I'm going to pull this cover off so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, that's a little better. You can see what we're doing. So there's this protective sleeve on the outside of the spark plug wire. And if you take a little screwdriver in this little zip tie, you shove the screwdriver in and push this tab back, and you can get the zip tie undone. You pull the spark plug wire out, and you can just slide this protective tubing down a few inches, and that just gives you a little space so we can wrap the wire from the hour meter on there. 110s have this perfect little spot for the hour meter. It goes right here, and this is just a plastic thing. The gas tank is up here, so if you drill your holes down here, you don't have to worry about hitting the gas tank. I'm just going to run my drill in here, and it'll go right through the plastic. Don't go too tight, because these will just strip out through the plastic. See on the back side here, the screws just pop through. I'm sure you could use some double-sided sticky tape on this too. These really don't weigh that much. We're going to wrap this wire around here 5 times. And I'm going to take a little black tape and tape this up so it doesn't go anywhere. I'll cut off the extra wire, and we're done. When you start the bike, this little hourglass will start flashing. Plastic spot to tuck it up in there is so good on these 110s. Got 130 hours. I like doing this to keep track of oil changes. It makes it so easy. For the 15 bucks they cost, I think it's well worth putting those on everything. I have a playlist of all the other things we've done on these 110s. I will try and post it up here.